progressive journalism, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for latest updates. Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra on Thursday claimed that the Yogi Adityanath government is planning to take action against some Uttar Pradesh police women who had posed for a photograph with her. The news is coming that Yogi ji got upset with this picture that he wants to take against these police women, Priyanka Gandhi said in a tweet in Hindi, along with the picture which is said to have been clicked on Wednesday while she was on her way to Agra to meet the family of a Dalit sanitation worker who had died in police custody. If it is a crime to take pictures with me, then I should also be punished, as it does not suit the government to spoil the career of these hard-working and loyal police women, Priyanka added.